What is the strategy canvas and how is it used as part of the Blue Ocean strategy? Well, the strategy itself, the Blue Ocean strategy, seeks to expand or create new markets so that you can avoid competing in existing markets that are extremely competitive. The strategy canvas allows you to visualize aspects of the company's existing value chain so that you can identify the functions or factors that are most important. Now, this canvas says that you should take a graph and plot all or identify all of the factors that are important to the operations of the business and put those along the x-axis. Now the y-axis represents a value scale. That is, how important are each of these factors to the business itself. Here's a visualization of how you would do this. You would put the competing factors on the x-axis and then the offering level, the value associated or the importance of it, on the y-axis. From there, to implement this, you will plot the points on the graph that indicate how important each factor is to the business. So factor 1 on the x-axis, you would identify the importance level of it and plot that there and do that for each of the value factors. And then you would connect these linearly so you can see the value of each of these factors in relation to the others. So it helps you understand what are the most important factors for the business in terms of how they compare to the other factors that are also important for the business. Then you will overlay a competitor's similar analysis over top. That is, you could do a direct competitor that has a similar product that they're selling or service that they're selling, or it could be a substitute product, something that's less direct or indirect competitor in that way. And you can see by comparing these two that you can see the value difference from each. So you're going to connect the two the same way, and then you'll be able to visualize the importance of the competitor's factor against yours and how they compare across all of the factors. So you'll find, interestingly, that oftentimes there'll be very similar importance level or very divergent importance level between factors for a competitor, and they'll be the complete reverse or highly different from the factors that are most important to your business. And so visualizing this allows you a point of comparison, and what it does, it allows you to adjust whatever factors you deem have the potential to create some form of competitive advantage either for you or for the competitor in the market. If the competitor in the market has a competitive advantage in one area, you will avoid this, because the idea of Blue Ocean strategy is to avoid competition in existing markets. But you will also seek to look for factors that will allow you to establish a competitive advantage in a new market. So you're differentiating yourself from competitors in that way, in order or with the purpose of opening up a new market. So this is how the strategy canvas is used as part of implementing Blue Ocean strategy.